Article 2, Section 12. The state recognizes the sanctity of family life and shall protect and strengthen the family as a basic autonomous social institution. It shall equally protect the life of the mother and the life of the unborn from conception, the natural and primary right and duty of parents in the rearing of the youth for civic efficiency and the development of moral character shall receive the support of the government. This section highlights several key elements. The first is the recognition of family as a basic. Family as the cornerstone of society, emphasizing its crucial role in shaping individuals and contributing to national development. Protection of family life. The state commits to protecting and strengthening family life, recognizing its inherent value and the need for its stability. Equal protection of mother and unborn. The provision explicitly states that the state shall equally protect the life of the mother and the life of the unborn from conception. Abortion. The provisions emphasizes on protecting the life of the unborn has been used to justify the Philippines' strict anti-abortion law. However, there are ongoing debates about the extent to which the state should regulate reproductive rights. Family structure. The Constitution focus on the traditional family unit has led to discussions about the recognition of other family structures such as same-sex partnership.
Hi, Mommy. It's been a month. I never got the chance to introduce myself. I would love to be your baby, but God said I should be Mommy and Daddy's angel.
To sum up, Article 2, Section 12 of the Philippine Constitution reflects the country's strong emphasis on the family as a fundamental social institution. It outlines the state's responsibility to protect and support family life,